Our 2 glass door stainless steel freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 55 inches. A depth, we have 32.5 inches. And overall height with caster wheels, we have 80.5 inches tall. Dual swing doors, and measurements for each door will include 27 inches in length by 52 inches tall. Measurements apply for the left and right door. Coming to the inside will be 8 adjustable shelves, 4 on each side. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference, and the measurement for each shelf will include 24 inches in length by 23.5 inches in depth. Interior dimensions will include 49.5 inches in length (25 inches depth). 25 inches applies towards the back wall towards the front of the shelf, and a depth of 26 inches applies from the back wall towards the front of the refrigerator before the LED strip. The LED strip is located on the left and right column before the swing door. And a total height, we have 49 inches tall. 49 inches applies towards the bottom of the freezer, towards the top trim on top. Also located on the top left and right column will be 2 separate LED strips. Stainless steel interior, and coming to the top will be 3 separate features: versus light, power switch, along with the control panel. Keys will also be provided, dual locks on both doors. Pair of keys will be included for the left and right lock. Coming to the inside of the freezer will be the ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this unit. Last but not least, this freezer has a 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.